for way too long. Mama wanted them training wheels off, but I was too far gone. It's like I'm in the zoo, a tiger about to break loose. Can't no cage contain me, you're about to know the truth. Some people doubt, can't box me out, I'm about to take off. I was born to run, I was born to run. Time ain't loose, I can't stop now, can't never slow me down. I was born to run, I was born to run, baby. I do 100 on a highway, yeah, I'm racing the wind. You never made it out the driveway, is he playing pretend? It's like I'm in a zoo, an elephant coming through. Can't no cage contain me, y'all about to know the truth. Some people doubt, can't box me out, I'm about to take off. I was born to run, I was born to run. Time ain't loose, I can't stop now, can't never slow me down. I was born to run, I was born to run, baby. Ain't no speed limit on this road, can't nothing out there stop me. Ain't no telling how fast I go, pull up a seat and watch me.